Not today. Let me see. Bring it here. How much is it? Down. Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Cita here, and if you do, welcome, and if you're coming back, hey girl, hey. So we just did a late night, well, not a late night, but a late run to Walmart real quick, which you saw because Lito needed some jeans for tomorrow. So I got 2 pairs, so I'm about to wash those, so then that way he could wear them for his field trip tomorrow. And in the meantime, in between time, hopefully you can hear me because I'm about to start this. But I do kind of need to show you what I bought, but I kind of already put some stuff up. So I'll probably show you what I have left to put away. But I feel like it's going to be like a late night. So it's not going to be long. It's just going to be a little vlog. But we still got some daylight left out. So I'm going to put my phone on charge so that way we can record. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I can go out and plant I got some basil, some rosemary, and some mint. So I'm hoping I can go put those in the planter boxes right now. Let me start that. So let me get you set up. Maybe I won't. Yeah, let's take some time. I'll put you on charge and we'll come back. Got back some more of those.
I think the cards out.
Cards out for what?
Groceries.
Go ahead. Got these to try. Close the plants. So we gotta go plant. Got fruit snacks for their lunch. And some more of the Go-Gurts. Had to get some cough medicine for Lito. And we got a batch of wildflowers in there that I'm gonna plant later. And some popcorners for Lito's lunch. this one, right? One reason why I don't care. Do you see this? Everything's tangled. It's all in one big old ball. That's one reason I don't care for these front loaders. But my friend made a valid point. She said the reason why she got her front loader is because she knew her son would be able to help her with the laundry. I said, okay, well that makes sense. But be honest with your friend, I don't know. It's not seeming like it's worth the squeeze right now. Because it likes to tear up more pants than a little bit. It likes to tear clothes up. But mine's an older model. It likes to tear up clothes. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking out Lito's jeans. Since I washed this with mine, I always dry theirs on a different setting. A lower setting, if you will. Here it is. So his whole outfit. Okay, that do look better. Yes, it just needed to be washed. Alright. Anywho, their clothes goes on up. I need this. I need to put this down somewhere though. On a lower setting, and then mine goes on a higher setting. Only because my clothes are bigger. And then if I put theirs on the higher setting, it'll shrink. So I'm gonna make sure his stuff is dry first, and then I'm gonna come back down here and then swap it out, because I still need to iron his stuff once it's done. So hence why I said it'll be a long night. Okay, so we're back, and these are his jeans. Done. The good thing is they're not really like wrinkled, but the bottoms I'm still gonna have to steam it just a little bit, just to get it out, just to get this some of the creases out. I actually, fun fact, I don't have an iron. Like the iron I have, it wouldn't get hot. It's old. But when I first purchased it, it wasn't getting to the temperature like a typical iron would get to. And I would just deal with it as it is. And then I just quit iron because it was seemed too much trying to iron something from an iron that wouldn't get hot. And that was not my first iron that I bought. So I was like, so irons don't really work anymore? Is that what we're getting at? So anywho, but I ended up buying a steamer couple of years back. I bought a steamer and an iron. And what happened? Bought them both from Walmart. The iron, you put the water in there, it was seeping out the bottom. I had to take that boy back. Now this, I do have to. Whatever was on there is gone now. I am glad nope, it's over here. It's just not prevalent. It's prevalent. I must have washed part of it out. It looked like somebody tried to iron their shirt and they almost burnt it. So, you flip it inside out. And we're going to take it upstairs and we're going to steam it. But yeah, so, it is midnight. And I don't know if you could hear. They outside doing fireworks, child. They waited till 11:30 to start. And that's what's going on in these neck of the woods. I'm like, when everybody sleep, that's what y'all want to do. But it wouldn't be Detroit if they didn't just do that randomly. But actually, it's 'tis the season, because they seem to get started earlier and earlier every year, it seemed like. Because typically, it's, 4th of July when they start bringing out those fireworks. But here we are. I gotta pay attention to the wash of the jeans, because I got 2 washes that are similar to those in the jeans, because I'm trying to match my child tomorrow. So they know, like, she's with them. Or at least he's with me. Or vice versa. You know what I mean? They know that's my kid. Oh, there's the button. I need that button. Alrighty. That's done. But I need this button. Just like the other piece of the button is over here. I'm going to just set them both there for now. And I'm going to go ahead and put the other load of clothes in and get that started. And then I'll reconvene with you later. So this is going to be the end of today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.